Hi, this is Nina from Hair Tech.
Oh, am I supposed to say my name? Sorry.
That'd be nice.
My name is Russ. I'm her husband.
He's going to be my model today. And I'm just going to give you some tips on maybe how to trim your husband's hair, your own hair, your child's hair, just to get you by until you can get back into the salon.
Is that going to involve sharp objects like scissors?
Yeah, it might.
Do you think that's a good idea considering everybody's been stuck in a house for 14 days together?
It might not.
We'll find out. Let's get to the video. Alright everybody, we're back. We're going to do this video about how to trim your hair. She's going to do this video how to trim your hair.
Yep.
But before we do, we're recording this, let's say on Easter. So I just wanted to say Happy Easter to everybody and rocking the Jesus shirt here. So she's going to tell you what to do.
Okay. First of all, I just want to go over some tips on how to just kind of clean up your hair, your husband, your child's hair. Because the social distancing is lasting a lot longer than we had first anticipated. So if you haven't shaved your own head or given yourself a mohawk, Michael Humphrey, or you don't want to go back to your mullet.
Come on, y'all. You know that is sexy. Come on now.
No Tiger King mullet.
Hashtag rock the mullet.
No. Don't do it. So these tips are just going to be, ways to clean up around the hairline and around his ears. Okay. And then a couple of other tips too. But first of all, we'll start. Russ, if you want to take your glasses off, please. Okay. See that hair that's hanging over his ears? Okay, now if you don't have like a set of trimmers like I have, professional trimmers, you can have something that maybe your husband uses to clean up.
Manscaping clippers.
PG, please. Okay. So something like that would be fine, even if you had like a razor. But just this hair over the ears, you want to just move his ear out of the way. Use your trimmers or whatever, and just he gets a chill.
Just gave me chills.
Just clean up around the ears. Okay. Then like around the back, I'm going to spin him around. And just be careful that you don't go above that hairline. So you just want to just start your line and just as best as you can. And then a lot of times what I like to do is I will come up with the razor. It just has a nicer cut. It'll last a little longer, less irritating to their skin. Okay, so another tip I would give you is if you are going to clip or cut their hair, and you do have a set of clippers, just try to keep it on the longer side in case it's really bad. It won't take too long to grow out. I would start with the longest guard on the top if you are going to mess with the top, and then just go from the longest guard to the shortest guard. So you would go longer, like let's say a number 4, maybe through this area, number 3, a number 2, and a number 1. And that'll fade up pretty well. That'll definitely get you by. For you ladies out there, if you want to trim your own bangs or your daughter's bangs, tip from Trudy, just be careful you don't cut those bangs when the hair is wet. It's very pliable and stretchy. So when you're cutting the hair when it's wet, it stretches a lot. And then once it dries, it shrinks up. It'll be halfway up their forehead, and you don't want that. That's another tip. And another... I wanted to just kind of discuss this.
Stop cutting people's hair on the side at home.
To my fellow hairdressers and barbers, please, I know you're getting offers you feel like you can't refuse.
Flatten the curve.
Yes, please. I've been getting them myself. And we're all in this together, so we have to band together in order to flatten this curve. We have to practice our social distancing. So please, to all you fellow hairdressers, it doesn't matter if you're outside in your driveway. I've been hearing some rumors about that. The only reason why I'm getting this close to this guy is because I live with him, and I do not have a choice. So I just... a
friend of mine said, what good is all the money if you're dead and can't spend it?
Oh yeah, this is true. Yeah, you're right. That was dark.
Just keeping it real.
So anyway, and also I just want to, another thing I wanted to bring up too is I just want to thank all of our essential workers. My husband's one of them. To our nurses,
I'm not a nurse.
our doctors,
I'm not a
our
doctor.
grocery store clerks.
I don't work at a grocery store.
Correction officers.
Don't do that.
He does work at a hardware store, which is
store.
considered essential.
We are essential.
So we at Hair Tech really appreciate it is such a sacrifice, and we know it's stressful on you too. So we just want to give you guys a shout out and just thank you for all you're doing. We love you, and hopefully we will see you all soon.
Don't forget, if you like this video, hit the red subscribe button down on the right hand side, and make sure you give us a thumbs up and a like, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.